Hi, this is Not Too Fast here. Hope everyone's having a great day. Let me share with you what I did today in the garage. You probably noticed that this garage is very bright right now. And the reason for that is because I installed additional LED light fixtures that you see right here. Now, a couple of years ago, I did a video on installing 2 of these LED light fixtures. And at the time, I thought they were very bright and they worked great. I've had no issues with any of these LED lights. But recently I went to Costco and I saw these light fixtures on sale. They were regular $28, had an $8 off, so each one cost $20, which is a really good deal. Now, if you look at the spec on these LED lights, they put out 3,700 lumens. It's rated for 50,000 hours, and the color temperature is 4,000 Kelvin, which is a cool white. I picked up 3 additional light fixtures, and let me show you what one of these lights look like right out of the box. They're not very heavy, and the tubes are actually plastic, and inside the tube there's a roll of LED chips inside here. On this side we have the post ring for the on-off switch, and the AC cord is right here. The shield at the back is metal, and on this end we have the AC outlet where you can daisy chain up to 4 light fixtures. Here's the installation manual. Also comes with hangers and also the string for the switch. So I installed one more in the middle at the top right here. So now I have 3 instead of just 2. And then I installed 2 more light fixtures right here to light up the back of the garage. This typically is very dark near the back of the garage right here. And now with this area illuminated, if I need to film anything on the back of the vehicle, I can do that now. Now these lights gets turned on manually. Same as this one right here. So let me go ahead and turn off the ones I've added today, and I'll show you the difference in the brightness. And here's the garage with just the 2 lights turned on right now. So let me go ahead and turn on the rest of the lights, and then you can see the difference. As you can see, the garage is much brighter. And this lighting upgrade didn't cost a whole lot of money. Considering each fixture is $20, I picked up 3 of these, so it only cost me $60. Now I know this video is not very long, but I just want to show the people out there that if you want to upgrade the lighting in your garage, you can do it without spending a lot of money, especially with these LED light fixtures dropping in price quite a bit. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section. And don't forget to click on a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.